Hello, welcome to WR Guitar. I'm Will Russell, and in this tutorial video I'm going to be teaching you how to play Redemption Song by Bob Marley. Now this isn't too challenging a song if you know your open chords, but if you don't know them there's going to be graphics to the left and right of me throughout this whole video. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start off with that iconic intro riff. What we're going to try and do here is use the open G chord as our foundation for this riff. So if you don't know that chord, it is putting your first finger on the second string from the top and your second finger from the third fret at the top. So we're going to start with the third fret, second finger on the top string. We're then going to play an open A string and then a second fret with our first finger on that A string. So that's the second string down. So that's third fret, second finger, top string, open second string down, and then second fret on that second string down. Returning back to the third fret at the top there. 2 fingers so far. We're then going to drop down to the third fret on the second string from the top with our second finger. Then moving to the third string down, second fret, first finger. And then open third string down. Moving back to the second fret on the 5th string, or the second string from the top. So this is what we've got so far. Now we're going to repeat the first few notes. Third fret on the top string, open second string down, second fret, second string down, and then we're going to play the third string down as an open. We're then going to go back to the second fret on the second string down, then third fret, then second again, then open, and then third fret on the first string. So here comes the first time round the riff then. And here comes our repeat. Very similar, but you're going to miss one note out. So here it goes. Same as before. Same as before. Now we're going to miss that second fret out on the A string, and we're just going to go from the third fret, 3, 2, open, low E string, third fret. So here's the whole riff nice and close up for you. Okay, so moving on to our verse chords then, we're going to start with the G major chord, which starts with our first finger onto the second fret of the second string down, our third finger onto the third fret of the top string, and from extra spice you can put your little finger or your third finger in the bottom string on the third fret. So for this strum pattern, we're going to go down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Tea, coffee, and biscuits. We're then going to move to the E minor chord, which is first finger, second fret on the second string down, second finger, second fret on the third string down. Use the same strum pattern, tea, coffee and biscuits. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. So far we've got the G chord, down, down, up, down, up, to the E minor. For the next two chords, we're just going to play two strums, down strums on each of those chords. So we're going to go for the C chord first, which is first finger, first fret on the fifth string down, second finger, second fret on the third string down, and third finger, third fret on the second string down. That's our C chord. We're then going to go to what we call a G/B chord. Now all you're going to do for this is just grab your G chord but miss out the top string. So you can either take your finger off or you can leave it on, and when you strum, miss out that top string. So here we go from the C. And we're then going to finish this line off with an A minor chord, which is very similar to the C. Starts the same with our first finger in the fifth fret of the fifth string down, our second finger in the second fret of the third string down, and our third finger in the second fret of the fourth string down. We're going to go back, revert back to our original pattern, which was down, down, up, miss, up, down, up, tea, coffee and biscuits. So you're going to play this chord sequence 3 times in total for the verse. Tea, coffee and biscuits. Repeat times 2. For the 4th time round the verse, it's going to get a little bit different. We're going to start the same with the G and the E minor. So tea, coffee and biscuits. Tea, coffee and biscuits. But our 4 down strums are going to be twice on C as before. But instead of going to the G/B, we're going to go to an A minor instead. So we've got this: G, tea, coffee and biscuits, E, C, A minor, and we're going to finish the verse off with a D chord, which is first finger, second fret of the fourth string down, which is a G, third finger, third fret of the fifth string down, and second finger, second fret of the sixth string down. We're going to play twice round the tea, coffee and biscuits pattern. Tea, coffee and biscuits. Tea, coffee and biscuits. So here's the line that we'll play at the end of the verse. There we have it. So as mentioned before, we're going to start with a G, E minor, C, G/B and A minor, and we're going to play that 3 times, and then we're going to play once round G, E minor, C, A minor to D. So for the chorus then, we're going to start with that G chord again. Now you've learned all your chords that you need to know for this song now. Starting with your G chord, we're going to go once round the strumming pattern. And then we're going to go twice on C and 2 strums on D. So we're going to play that twice round. We're then going to replace our G with an E minor instead. Back to C, back to D. And then we're going to go back with our G, C, D, G, C, D. So your full chord progression for the chorus then is twice around this: G, C, D, G, moving to E minor now, C, D, and back to G. And there we have it. So there we have it. That was my tutorial for Redemption Song by Bob Marley. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today. If you have and you want to see more of me, make sure you subscribe to WR Guitar so that you get your updates as and when I upload more tutorials to my channel. If you've got any questions about this tutorial at all, then please jot them in the comments and I will get back to you ASAP.